Blessings. Some of the stories that will be mentioned: woman released, others in custody amid probe into couple's murder. Also coming up, a woman has been arrested and charged with house breaking, etc. Seems like at the woman them time. As a matter of fact, most of the time, them always involved, them just get exposed. No matter how small the role is, they are taking part. Enough of them, a criminal them do it, and them a collect the thief in money, hide the criminal them, and wash them blood up clothes. And some of them mother ya, them know say them boy a thief, and them they try hold down them neighbor daughter. But no know some of them a go tell God say, continue hide the criminal them and say, crime and violence a go team up and come right to your doorstep. You think a joke? Alright. Just remember that if you're new to the channel, if it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe. Plus, click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel. And also remember to give this video a like for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Stay safe. The woman who was detained for questioning in connection with Wednesday's murder of Plummy, 60-year-old Annette Lindsay, and husband, 55-year-old Linval Lindsay, a couple in Barracks, Mansion Hill, Portland, was released from police custody on Friday. However, two males who were identified as persons of interest remain in custody and are to undergo further questioning in the presence of their attorneys. The leftovers of both victims were found in their community of Barracks in Mansion Hill. Lindsay, popularly known as Natty Cowhead, was reportedly threatened recently by an individual who is among those now in custody. And here's a reminder of what went down. It was reported that sometime after 2 a.m. on Wednesday, residents heard gunshots and alerted the police. Upon the arrival of law enforcers, Lindsay's lifeless body was seen lying on a roadway near to his house with several gunshot wounds. Further checks led to the discovery of his wife's body inside their house with what appeared to be chop wounds to the upper body. She reportedly died at the scene. Now as we hopped over St. Mary, we landed in southwest St. Ann. A woman has been arrested and charged with housebreaking, arson and issuing threats following an incident in Goshen District, Brownstown in St. Ann on Tuesday, April 27. Charges 36-year-old Ingrid Seivwright of Rosetta District, Alexandria in St. Ann. Reports are that about 8 a.m. the now complainant securely locked his house and upon his return discovered that it had been broken into. That sounds like a relationship gone bad and jealousy take over, a place where the woman used to. She know exactly where to enter and like the things that are dear to your heart in trying to get back at you. That's the woman behave when them head take them, you understand? Several items there has also been destroyed by fire. Investigations were commenced and the video evidence later allegedly placed Seivwright at the scene of the break-in and arson. On May 13, the police arrested and charged Seivwright, during which she reportedly made several threats to kill the complainant. So because in a breakup and she can't get you back, she tell us that she'll go kill you if she can't get you, no other woman will. Me no know, I wasn't there, I'm just saying. The accused woman court date is being finalized by the police, so I'll keep you abreast on that as the case progresses. And we are still in St. Ann. This time we head northeast. The police in St. Ann detained and charged 22 persons who were seen at the beach in the Shaw Park area of Ocherias, St. Ann on Saturday. The individuals who were reportedly from Kingston, St. Mary and St. Ann were booked for breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act, DRMA, the legislation that was crafted to help contain the spread of the C-19. The arrested persons are to appear in the St. Ann Parish Court at a later date that is now in the making. The police reported that about 11 a.m., police were on a patrol in the Ocherias area when they went to a private beach at Shaw Park. They observed adults as well as children swimming. A video of the incident from the Jamaica Constabulary Force showed some of the individuals attired in beachwear and without masks entering a police coaster bus. Several police personnel were there monitoring the loading of the bus, conductor, loaderman, and everybody, etc. The individuals were subsequently transported to the authorized police station for processing, and 22 persons were subsequently charged. Good. Who can hear will pay. And the reason why I say that is because the results are in, and 17 more C19 deaths recorded within 24 hours. The Ministry of Health and Wellness has recorded 17 C19 related deaths locally within a 24-hour period up to Saturday afternoon. During the one-day period, 86 new cases of persons afflicted with the virus were recorded, and the deceased are 7 males and 2 females, ages between 40 and 89 years old, all from Manchester, and that's 9. Now let's continue. A 72-year-old female from Clarendon, a 71-year-old male from St. James, a 90-year-old female also from St. James, an 80-year-old female from Trelawney whose death was previously under investigation, a 60-year-old female who is also from Trelawney and was also under investigation, a 65-year-old male from Portland, a 73-year-old male from St. Thomas, and a 75-year-old female from Kingston and St. Andrew. The latest recorded C19 deaths brought the overall number of fatalities locally from the virus to 860. The ministry, in advising of the 86 new cases of the virus over the 24-hour period, said the batch brought the total number of confirmed positive cases nationally to 47,319. The new cases included 52 females and 34 males. The ages among the new cases range from 1 to 90 years old. Even the newborn is at risk. So you can go and group up a riverside and think that the stream can wash away the pandemic. St. Ann is among the parishes with 21, St. Catherine with 17, and Clarendon with 11, led the way among the parishes in terms of the new case count. And over the 24-hour period, a total of 1,383 samples were tested, and recoveries have increased with 111 cases being recorded over the one-day period. So basically, 111 persons were recovered, cured. The ministry also reported that of the 181 persons now hospitalized with the virus, 62 are classified as being moderately ill, while 24 are closer to death. Anyway, leave a comment and make your opinion count down in the comment section. But before I go, please remember that if you're new to the channel, if it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm blessings and more beatitude. Stay safe.